Hello. How are you doing? I hope you are all feeling wonderful. I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a pronunciation helper. Welcome to Kidicode Ninja tutorial. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. So let's dive right in. We start by giving our project a good name. Pronunciation helper, obviously wrong, but I use autocorrect. Okay, here we go. And then we are gonna use this extension, text to speech. When I add it, I get 3 blocks of code: speak, set voice, and set language. Okay, so I write it by, we could keep the cat, but let's choose a bot so that we have like a personal chat bot or pronunciation helper bot. Okay, so I would say when green flag clicked, let's first set our initial values. So set the voice to at low, set the language to English, and then I'm gonna write a loop, a forever loop, forever, and then from sensing, let's ask a question or like whatever we want to be pronounced. Ask, what do you need help with pronunciation? And then here speak the answer. Let's give it a try. Let's click this. What do you need help with pronunciation? Let's give it a difficult word like hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista. What else? Flowers.
Flowers.
And then we can change the language as well. So let's say I'm putting it on Japanese. What if I say thanks?
Thanks.
No change. One more time. Thanks.
Thanks.
Only the accent is changed, but it wasn't obviously a Japanese word. Let's find a Japanese word. Thanks in Japanese. And then let's copy this, and we can now learn the proper pronunciation of thank you in Japanese.
Arigato.
Arigato. Arigato for listening, for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, share it with your friends so that other smart people like yourself join my channel and help me to be known in this ocean. Thank you so much and see you soon.